You guys doing today? I am back from one of my long work trips, per usual. That's what I do. But now that we are back, I'm finally showing you guys the new look for the YZ. This is, of course, stock plastics, stock graphics. Pretty much a few just add-ons, you know. I did enduro engineering, front disc guard, did some of this right here. I have a few other pieces that I haven't installed, but I did the upgraded fan kit from Tusk shifter. Did a Tusk brake. Then of course I have, you know, silicone hoses that's gonna come on, and the rear enduro engineering disc brake guard that I actually have that I'm going to install. Now that I'm actually back, I get to show you guys the new look. Again, this is the old look. As you guys can see, I put this bike through a good amount of pain, hard work. You guys can see this is how she currently looks. I have not washed it, no silicone spray, nothing. This is how she looks. The bike has been amazing to me, extremely amazing. The bike has been to me. So again, I wanted to dedicate this graphic kit not only to what I do, but also to my business, also to the vlogs. So pay attention for that, guys. You guys are really gonna like this new color wave that I'm coming out with. No, it's not gonna be blue. No, it's not gonna be white. No, it's not gonna be black. No, it's not gonna be Nardo gray. This is a good surprise for you guys that I'm going to do, and I know you guys are going to enjoy it. So stick around and look at the new transformation. See you guys in a few. Just to show y'all, this is the outside intake portion, what they call it, the shroud. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but you know, this goes here. This is intake right here. Look how much water that intake brings. Well, that it's probably done, you know, from all types of ride out that I do. Mind you, I put it in water, all types of stuff. I've even drowned it at one point, but yeah, that shows you. She a goat. She a goat. It's crazy. That's crazy. Alright, so always remember, new plastics are not going to come with this. So if your old plastics are missing any of these, make sure you have some handy because your new plastics are going to need them. So it's pretty easy. I just use a flathead and just pop, pop, pop. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, here she is. Hopefully you guys can hear me with the mild wind that we have in the background. Yeah, there she is. This is how she looks now. This is her new 2023 update slash looks. We got the shout out for the vlogs because it's not over. This is not the only bike that's going to be looking like this. We have a lot in store this year, but this is what she looks like. Tell me what you guys think. I put a lot of time and effort into the graphics, and I want to know what you guys think. Apparently nobody figured out that it was going to be this color. I wear a lot of these hats this color. People think it's the same hat, but I actually have multiple. I love the color. It's my business color, so I decided to go with the plastics that color. Now as far as the graphics, let me tell you a little bit something about the graphics. So the graphics is made by Primal Graphics. They're, for me, one of the top in the business. I have a little surprise for you guys at the end of the video, but they were the ones that I collabed on this design, and they killed it. Very responsive. I actually had a graphics kit from them before, but I never got to install it. I ended up selling the bike, but now I get to see their masterpiece at work, you know. So let's give you a little walk through. So this is front. Gotta let people know that is a Yamaha still. That's why there's actually some blue available. So we kept the blue going, a little bit nardo gray, a little black, and then of course my fluorescent greens. I love them. I actually had someone that was going to install the graphics kit for me, but they're in the process of moving in High Aiden out of Philadelphia, so I had to put my big boy pants on and try something that I never tried before. So how was the video, guys? No. How was the bike? How was the bike? Listen, me personally, I love the bike. I loved the bike. Not loved, I'm loving the bike. I'm like, correction, I'm loving the bike. It's better than I even expected. It's better than I expected. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I do visually. If you guys have any do's or don'ts, what you would have added, etc., drop it down on the comments. Let me know. Be verbal with me. I want to know what you guys think, because I actually do these videos. You know, I like it. I like to do videos, but I actually do it for you guys because, you know, we're fellow YouTube community. We go on YouTube, we look at videos, and we entertain ourselves. But now, without further ado, I do have information on the giveaway. The giveaway item for this time, right? Should I say time? 200 subscriber time. I don't know. Listen. So what we're gonna do is GoPro Max. We're gonna give away a GoPro Max. So listen, even if you're not gonna use it, something easy to flip, free money. I'm a man about flipping, investing, etc. That's also what I'm gonna show you guys. But for now, let's stick to the dirt bikes. Let's stick to the cars. Let's stick to the street bikes. Let's stick to that. And then later on, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more about myself. But for now, enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you guys at the next video. Deuces. So here it is, guys, the surprise that I had for you. The graphics are fluorescent. Not only are my plastics fluorescent green, but the actual graphic kit itself is fluorescent. Shine a light, shines right back at you. Look at it, it looks good, don't it? Now, the reason why I did this is because I want to be visible, you know, in dark conditions anytime I ride the bike. Is either if I'm in the trails or in the street. Let me know what you guys think. Drop it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think about this fluorescent thing. Thank you for watching.